we have limitations lang for today to treat scars, and we are limited to treat the atrophic scars specifically. So we need to discuss about atrophic scars. So what are atrophic scars? So these are the flat or shallow depressions that heal below the top layer of the skin. So usually those atrophic scars are basically, meron din silang iba't ibang subtypes of atrophic scars. So these are your back scars type scar, your rolling scars, and your ice pick scars. So these scars are actually we combine treatments for these types of scars. It depends on the nature of the scars, of course. So we actually combine, like we do laser treatment, we do energy device based machine, and then we also use injectables for these acne scars. So this only shows kung ano yung itsura ng different scars natin. So, like the first one is the ice pick scar. So, it looks like a V shape. So, these ice pick scars, what we usually do for this one is, of course, we also do some, like the TCA cross. We use a 100% chemical solution for this so that it will help promote collagen production para mas aangat na siya over time. But of course, it will not only end with TCA cross. We also combine this with laser treatments, like we have this dermablade laser or our RF microneedling machines. And also we do have our rolling scars and back scars type scar. So this one are basically we use your injectables or yung mga fillers natin, we inject directly dun sa mga scars natin. Though we do have like our kaha or our reddies that we usually do subcision first inside, kasi the approach nowadays is we treat inside and we treat outside. So that would be our approach nowadays. So the first laser that I'm going to discuss is about the dermablade laser. Actually, it's an erbium YAG. And when you say erbium YAG, nowadays kasi ang battle, lagi sa amin sinasabi, what's the difference Doc of dermablade and CO2 fractional laser? Kasi CO2 fractional laser, they said it's the gold standard in treating acne scars. But of course, over time, nagkakaroon tayo ng mas upgraded. So with dermablade kasi, this one, ang dermablade kasi, it has a high power. So this one, kapag inabsorb ng skin and then the water chromophore is basically your scars. So pag inabsorb siya ng skin, less na yung heat na nagpuproduce. So pag less yung heat, mas less yung damage niya dun sa yung mga surrounding tissues. That's why nowadays, this is more recommended for patient, most especially for skin types 4. Kasi tayo, we have a lot of melanin na. So, hindi tayo dapat, like, some might have reactions if we do CO2 fractional lasers, lalo na if your skin type is skin type 4 or skin type 5. So, we are very careful in treating patients then. Okay? And also, we have our luminous Pico Suite. So our Pico Plus is, we have at our BGC branch and Podium branch, our Pico Majesty here in Molito, and our Pico Sure Pro in our BGC branch. All of them actually, ang pinaka-similarity nila is they create the LIOB. So the LIOB actually, sila yung para nag-create siya ng photoacoustic waves. Pagdating sa skin natin, kapag nag-photoacoustic wave, parang it creates a zone na magkakaroon ng coagulation, and at the same time, kapag nagkaroon ng coagulation, it would stimulate your collagen and elastin, which actually eventually improves your scar. So parehas lang sila kung paano nila i-treat ang scars, though they have different energy that they offer. So, of course, not only for the scars, we also use these machines for pigmentations as well, for skin tightening also. No. So, ito yung LIB na sinasabi ko kanina. So, it creates pressure waves that actually, it creates an epidermal repair so that it would cause more inflammation, and we all know that if more inflammation, the more stimulation of collagen happens. So another machine is our Baby Skin Advance. So as we all know, siguro most of you know that Baby Skin is it's more of the drug delivery of our cosmeceutical products, but it will not only use as for drug delivery, but in an advanced mode, we also use our baby skin laser for scars. So technically, there's a certain setting for the acne scars that we usually do for patients who doesn't want a longer downtime. Kasi like for the dermablade, it does have the downtime na nagkakaroon ng mga parang yung mga square na grid. So that can last for 5 to 7 days. So for a patient who doesn't want with longer downtime, another option for them is the baby skin advance, which ang downtime na is just redness for just 1 or 2 days. So another one is our Smooth Glow, or this one is an RF microneedling. Actually, with the RF microneedling, the good thing about this is it does have a gold insulated needles. Those gold insulated needles are when penetrated on the skin, so yung heat na nape-penetrate is nata-target lang yan, is kung saan yung targeted area. Meaning, when you have insulated needles, very low risk din siya for having hyperpigmentations. So this Smooth Glow is also used for acne. Why? Because there's a semi-destruction of your sebaceous gland. So if there's semi-destruction of your sebaceous gland, less din yung production of oil. And as we all know, oil is one of the contributing factors kung bakit tayo nagkaka-acne. So again, this Smooth Glow or our Infini, this one would help address both acne and acne scars. Downtime, there's a little redness for maybe around 5 to 7 days. Actually, the key there is you keep your skin well hydrated. Kasi if you keep your skin well hydrated, mas less yung downtime niya. Thank you.